with the blue sky in mind. Again, nothing but rain. Stumbled into the kitchen, dropped the kettle on the flame, wondering whether I'll ever taste real coffee again. Closed my eyes and listened to the deluge outside, knowing nothing had changed. And I wondered who'll survive the flood this time around. We were promised never again. Just as well no one's to blame, 'cause it's so easy to say there's no reason for the rain. What we tell ourselves time and time again, but it keeps on coming and we keep on going, burying our heads in the sand. Trying to keep my cool, I switch on the AC. A vain hope for relief. Open up the freezer, break off another bit of ice. Couch time with my Coke and TV, while a hard rain's falling all around me. I still wanna believe there's no reason for the rain. What we tell ourselves time and time again, but it keeps on coming and we keep on going, still with our heads in the sand. Ever